my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to do a 3D pop-out effect on Canva. So let's begin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. What you can do is that you're gonna take this size over here. And as your page has been opened, I'm just gonna upload this image from my downloads like this. And I'm gonna resize it. Okay, so my pictures are all done. Now all you do is that you're just gonna search for a 3D mobile. And just take this one over here. Change all of its colors to black. Like this. And what you're gonna do is that then I'm just gonna keep it aside for a while. Change the background color to also black. And I'm just gonna layer it to front like this. I'm gonna decrease my transparency so that I can set it on my mobile like this. I'm just gonna set it and I'm gonna come to you. I have just set my image like this, and I'm just gonna again increase its transparency. Now I can do is again click on share and download this whole page as a ping and click on download. So after that image has been downloaded, now what you're gonna do is that, and I click on this image and I'm just gonna remove its background like this, and I'm just gonna make sure it's not coming out of my mobile like this, and then just set it like this. Click on the image, go to edit. I'm gonna scroll down, go in the duotone, and click on custom. Change its color to the color of the mobile like this. Like this. So now what you're doing is that you're just gonna download this image also like this. So now after this image has been downloaded, I'm going to add a page and I'm going to drop these both images to my page like this. And I'm just going to change my background to somewhat white like this. And now you're going to do is that you're going to scroll over here and click on the X. And you're just going to search for blend image like this and click on enter. Click on this plus icon over here. And I'm going to select this image as my top layer and this image as my bottom layer. You're going to choose multiply like this and just click on enter. And now let's see the preview results. Let's just click on add a page. I'm just going to drag it over here. And I'm going to make it a full screen. I'm going to remove its background like this. I'm just gonna decrease the unnecessary place which is taken. Now let's just do a little finishing touches. I'm gonna go in the edit, scroll down, click on shadows, drop down, and just move its angle like this. I'm gonna just choose this angle. And so I'm just gonna resize it like this. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more videos like these. Bye bye.